Good morning all, and welcome to Living Uniquely You, myself Sharon Brown, the Soul Connector. I am coming in this morning with I'm going to do a bit of drumming and just to open yourself up to receive what you need to receive at this moment in time, because there's a lot of stuff going on the collective level, on a planetary level, on a personal level. We're being upgraded from the inside out. Our DNA is constantly changing, and we are literally being avalanched with just pure and utter fear on the collective level. And then we have so much light coming in from the sun. So it's really about you looking after you at this moment in time, because there's just so much. So I'm just going to ask you to open up to receive what you need to receive. So just allow yourself to really open up on a heart space and just receive. So I'm going to ask you to take a deep breath in. So calling all your energy back from people, places, situations, time and space. So all the way back through that divine filter of pure love and light. So you're going to unhook and unleash from everyone and everything. So all the way back through that divine filter of pure love and light. Unhooking and unleashing from everyone and everything. So all the way back through that divine filter of pure love and light. Unhooking and unleashing from everyone and everything. And breathe out. Take another deep breath in. And allowing your energy to fully drop into you, into the here and the now. Your I am presence. And breathe out. Take another deep breath in. Acknowledge how you're feeling, not wanting to change anything. And letting go of that energy of expectation, whatever that looks for you, dropping that energy of expectation. And breathe out. Bring your awareness to your heart, and as you bring your awareness to your heart, visualize 3 big golden roots coming out of your heart chakra, into your solar plex, into your navel, your sacral, your root, your hips, your legs, your feet, the floor, right down into your earth star chakra, through the dolphin matrix, into that inner cities, into that whale matrix, and dropping into the core of Mother Earth. Feeling your energy and Mother Earth's energy combining as one, and feeling this energy move up into your whale, your inner city, your dolphin, into your Earth Star chakra, pulling your Earth Star chakra all the way down, right down into that center of the crystalline grid, all the way down, allowing you to fully anchor your energy into the crystalline grid. Feeling your roots wrap around your space. Nobody else's, just your space. This is your place. And feeling the second part of the grid come up to fully seal in your Earth Star chakra. Feeling this energy move up into your feet, your root and your heart. Doing a 360 degree around your heart chakra. Now I'm calling in the energy from Source, pure unconditional love of the highest vibration, dropping right down into your stellar gateway, clearing anything that right down into your soul star chakra, so you can see, sense and feel your true self-worth, and allowing your path to fully illuminate in front of you, into your causal chakra, so your intuition can be fully heightened, into the crown of your head so you can think more clearly, into your third eye so you can see more clearly, into your ear chakra so you can hear divine guidance, into your throat chakra so you can speak your truth with pure love and light. Into the higher heart, connecting into that universal energy of 5D and allowing you to anchor that within your life and body. Into your heart so you can love you. You can see you. You can see your beauty inside and out. Into your solar plex so you can unleash your true divine feminine energies, allowing them to fully balance, or masculine energies, allowing them to fully balance within the body, and fully accepting yourself no matter what. Into your navel chakra so you can connect into that universal energy of oneness to all, connection to all, and allowing us to anchor that within. Into your sacral chakra so you can unleash your true divine feminine energies, allowing them to fully balance within the body. And remember, and reawakening your true gifts and talents, who you truly are. Into your root chakra so you can bring in the abundance of life and all life has to offer. Into your hips, your legs and your feet so you can take any necessary steps forward, right down into your Earth Star chakra and into the core of Mother Earth. Feeling this energy move up into your feet, your root and your heart, doing a 360 degree around your heart chakra, feeling your energy, Mother Earth's energy and Father Sky's energy combining as one. And feeling this energy move to every part of your body, every part of your being, allowing you drop right down into that stillness, into that oneness, into that 0 point, where nobody needs anything from you, nobody wants anything from you. This is your time and your space. So just dropping in into the here and the now. I'm just going to bring in the drum and just allow, just open up to receive. just allow yourself to slowly come back. Cross your hands over your knees and fully anchor in that energy, and just slowly come back. That was very deep but very gentle, I felt. So it's just really opening up, a lot going on in the heart. So it's really just letting those heart walls down and just open yourself up to receive what you need to receive at this moment in time. Guys, thank you for watching this. Thank you for watching the replay. And of course, if you would like to work with me on a one-to-one basis, please DM me. Have a magical day, guys. And remember, you are the most important person in your life, and stay in your own lane. Have a magical day, and I'll talk to you all again on Monday. Take care. Bye.